In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot's social media scheduler to schedule your posts. Whether you're a social media manager looking to streamline your content or a business owner eager to optimize your online presence, this tool will be a game changer for your social media strategy. So let's get started on this journey to make your scheduling experience smooth and efficient. First, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot homepage. To do this, open your preferred web browser and type in the URL, or simply search for HubSpot on any search engine. Once on the homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login button. This will take you to the login page, where you will need to enter your credentials to access your HubSpot account. If you don't have an account yet, this would be a great moment to create one, as it's your gateway to a range of powerful marketing tools. After successfully logging in, you should find yourself on the HubSpot home screen. This is your central hub where you'll find numerous options to explore. However, today we want to focus on scheduling social media posts. So direct your attention to the menu on the left side of the screen and click on the Marketing section. HubSpot organizes its features into these easily accessible categories, making navigation a breeze once you're familiar with it. After selecting Marketing, a drop-down or a new menu will appear. From there, click on Social. This brings you directly to the social media dashboard where the magic begins. It's important to remember that using a centralized platform like this allows you to have a cohesive view of your social media activities and all under one roof, making management much simpler. On this page, you'll see a Create Social Posts button. Go ahead and click that. This is your starting point for drafting and scheduling your content. One key benefit of HubSpot's platform is its intuitive design, so you'll find that creating a post resembles the experience on most social media sites, minimizing the learning curve. Finally, let's plan out the timing of your posts. Locate and click on the calendar option. The calendar is your best friend in maintaining consistency across your social channels. Here you can map out your entire content strategy. Simply select the desired date and time you want your post to go live. It's worth noting that timing can play a crucial role in engagement, so consider your audience's online habits when scheduling. And that's it. With these steps, you've streamlined your social media management, giving you more time to focus on creating engaging content. Utilizing HubSpot's scheduler not only saves time but also helps maintain consistency, ensuring your presence remains active and engaging with your audience. Thanks for watching and happy posting.